morning, Miss Griffin's class. Today we are learning SIPPS Lesson 10A. This is the last story in Lessons 1 through 10, so after this we'll be turning in our folder and getting a new one so we can start with Lesson 11. So let's get started. We are going to read this story. It's our new story, so the first time I'm going to read it and I want you to echo. The second time I want you to read it by yourself, hopefully. We are going to keep practicing. We'll make sure you're practicing at home at least 3 times a day, and make sure on Fridays you're recording your SIPPS fluency on Flipgrid. Let's get started. We are going to read our story, but let's do a picture walk first. In our first picture, we have the boy and the girl, and they look like they're looking for each other. One is maybe hiding, one is looking. Looks like they're still looking for each other. Oh, I think they can see each other. Yes, they can definitely see each other. The girl is wearing a mask. The boy is wearing a hat. They trade, and in the last story, the boy is wearing a mask and the girl is wearing a hat. So it looks like they're having a little bit of hide and seek fun, and then they're trading their costumes. So let's read our story. First time, me and you echo. Second time, you're going to read by yourself. Starting up here. You and me. Read. Can you see me? Read. Can I see you? Read. You can see me. Read. I can see you. Read. You can see the mask. Read. I can see the hat. Read. We can see. Read. We can see you and me. Read. So we have a lot of familiar words in there. Remember, at the end, it does change a little bit. So we have can at the beginning, you and I in the middle, and we at the end. So make sure you're paying attention to how the sentences start. Let's read it, this time on your own. Ready? Read. 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 Very nice reading. Let's do our blending and segmenting. Remember, we are working on our individual phonemes. You guys already mastered onset and rhyme, so now we're on individual phonemes. That's every little sound. That's why I have 3 fingers up instead of using my hands. Ready? I'm going to give you the sounds. You give me the word when I say blend. We have at, mat, at, sat, ant, ant, sam, I give you it 3 times. Sam. An, man. Last one. Ran. Keep practicing. We will get better if we practice more. Let's segment. That means that we are going to break a big word apart, but instead of using your hands, we're using our fingers. So I'm going to give you the word. You give me every sound, okay? Just what you hear. Ant. Ant. Man. And. And. Sat. Sat. Ask. Ask. Mat. Mat. My apologies. I gave you guys the answer without giving you a chance to give you a chance. I'm sorry. Let's try that again. Mat. At. We just got extra practice on that one. Even Miss Griffin makes mistakes sometimes. Let's review our sounds. We don't have any new ones today, so we are just going to be reviewing our sounds. Every time I hold it up, I will have you say it 3 times. Are you ready? What sound? What sound? What sound? S, s, s. Hissing snake. What sound? What sound? What sound? Ah, ah, ah. the chair. What sound? What sound? What sound? Nose noise. What sound? What sound? What sound? T, t, t. Tick tock clock. Last one. What sound? What sound? What sound? Humming monkey. Oh, dropped my card. Good job, you guys, on reviewing your sounds. Keep practicing those. Make sure they're in your head so that when you see them, you know that that letter makes that specific sound. It will really help us when we get to lesson 11. Let's learn our words. We have a new sight word today. Our new word is yes. Y-E-S, yes. Yes, this is my house. Yes. Let's spell it again. Y-E-S, yes. When we read it, we say yes. We spell Y-E-S, yes. Let's read, spell, read. Read, spell, read. Yes, Y-E-S, yes. Yes, this is my house. Let's review our old words. Read, spell, read. The, T-H-E, the. I see the class. Read, spell, read. Y-O-U, Y-O-U, you. You are in this class. Read, spell, read. We, W-E, we. We are going to the park. Read, spell, read. On, O-N, on. I can stand on that big rock. Read, spell, read. And, A-N-D, and. I have a paper and pencil. Read, spell, read. Me, M-E, me. She gave it to me. Read, spell, read. I, capital I. I see the class. Read, spell, read. Can, C-A-N, can. I can run fast. Read, spell, read. Is, I-S, is. This is my school. Last one. Read, spell, read. C, S-E-E, see. I see the pencil. Good job with your sight words. Again, look how many sight words you have learned. Keep practicing them. Make sure that you're able to recognize them really, really fast. Let's read our story one more time. This time I'm just going to say read and move my pointer underneath it, so I want you to try to read it as fluently as you can. I'm tripping over my words today, but that's okay. Let's start at the top. Read, 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 read. Awesome reading. Keep practicing. The more you read, the better it'll get. When you practice, make sure you go on Flipgrid and record one of them for me so that I can see how well you are doing. I will see you in lesson 10B. Bye, Miss Griffin's class.